Tire shine pads ensure even application, reduce product waste, keep hands clean, and deliver a professional glossy finish for vehicle tires. Today's video is about top 5 best tire shine pads that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Viking Tire Shine Applicator Brush. This Tire Shine Applicator brush is a must-have addition to any car cleaning kit. It comes with an ultra-soft, dense bristle brush designed to spread tire shine, dressing, and protectants evenly across all tire surfaces. The flexible bristles glide smoothly over tire lettering, grooves, and raised designs, helping achieve a clean and professional finish without creating messes. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making tire detailing easier and more precise, while the compact design works well on different tire profiles. The included 2.3-inch storage stand is a smart feature that keeps the brush protected and ready for the next use. Whether you are applying tire shine spray, tire dressing, or protectant, this applicator helps deliver a polished, showroom-style look with minimal effort. A practical and reliable tool for anyone who wants cleaner, shinier tires and a more organized car care setup. Now our second product is Yosang Tire Shine Brush. The Yosang Tire Shine Applicator Brush is a practical tool for achieving a professional tire detailing finish with less effort. Its 3.8-inch wide curved brush head fits naturally around the tire surface, helping apply tire shine evenly from the rim area to the tread while reducing splashes and cleanup. The ergonomic sealed handle offers a comfortable, secure grip and keeps your hands clean during application. The built-in storage stand is a convenient addition, keeping the brush upright, protected, and ready for future use. Its dense vegan fiber bristles absorb minimal product, helping save tire dressing and reducing waste while remaining washable and reusable. Whether applying tire shine, protectants, or detailing compounds, this brush delivers smooth coverage without mess or sticky residue. Suitable for cars, trucks, and motorcycles, it is an excellent choice for both DIY car enthusiasts and professional detailers looking for a cleaner, faster, and more efficient tire care solution. Our third product is Chemical Guys Tire Shine Applicator Pads. The Chemical Guys Tire Applicator Pads are a great addition to any car detailing kit, offering a simple and effective way to apply tire dressings, protectants, and shine products. This 2-pack features a unique contoured wave design that follows the shape of tire sidewalls, helping deliver smooth and even coverage while reducing drips and mess. The high-density Durafoam construction absorbs the right amount of product without soaking through, making the pads durable, reusable, and economical for regular detailing. These applicators provide a clean, streak-free finish that gives tires a professional appearance while keeping your hands protected from greasy residue. They work well not only on tires but also on rubber trim and exterior plastic surfaces, making them a versatile choice for vehicle care. With 2 pads included, you always have a spare ready for your next cleaning session. A reliable option for both DIY car enthusiasts and professional detailers seeking better control and consistent results. Now number 4, Baby Sheep Car Tire Shine Applicator. The Baby Sheep Tire Shine Applicator brush is a useful upgrade for anyone looking to achieve a cleaner, more professional tire finish. Its large 3.6-inch design and unique sealed handle make applying tire shine, dressings, and protectants easier while providing better control. The ergonomic handle keeps your hands clean by preventing direct contact with greasy products, while the storage base helps keep the brush organized and ready for future use. The dense fiber bristles hold tire dressing effectively without absorbing excessive product, helping reduce waste compared to traditional foam applicators. It spreads shine smoothly and evenly across tire surfaces without tearing or leaving messy residue. Built with a durable ABS plastic handle and washable vegan fiber bristles, this applicator is reusable and designed for long-term car care use. It can also be used for detailing other areas like interiors and trim. A practical addition to any car cleaning kit for DIY enthusiasts and detail lovers. And our last choice is BWBWND Car Tire Shine Applicator. This multifunctional car applicator is a convenient tool for tire cleaning, polishing, and overall vehicle maintenance. Designed with a high-density sponge and reinforced PP handle, it provides excellent durability while remaining soft enough to apply waxes, dressings, and cleaners smoothly. The sponge is resistant to deformation and tearing, making it suitable for repeated use. Its ergonomic non-slip handle features textured grooves that offer a secure grip, even when wet, while reducing hand fatigue during longer detailing sessions. The hook and loop fastener design allows quick sponge replacement and easy cleaning, while the hanging hole makes storage and drying more convenient. This applicator delivers even coverage and helps remove dust while creating a high-gloss finish on tires. Suitable for cars, SUVs, RVs, motorcycles, bicycles, and more, it is a versatile addition to any car care kit. A practical choice for both home users and detailing enthusiasts who want efficient and comfortable cleaning performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.